Hi and welcome to this video. We are looking at upgrading Centrify's HyperScalable pass. And here's what we have. So have a HyperScalable pass is relatively empty. When we look at the version, notice that it's version 20.3 right here. And it's a setup that has multiple nodes. Obviously not everything is highly available, but let's take a look. Um, if you look at the installations that I have, the deployments that I have, the deployment is ID is 23, so it's in 20.3. And if we want to get the node list, you're going to see that it's going to yield, and let's just look at it as a table. Much better. So notice it's going to yield that I have a couple of web roles, I have a couple of background roles, and a couple of relays. Obviously, I have only one database in one cache, so this setup is not fully highly available, but it's functional enough for you to be able to play with privileged access service. So what do we need? We need to go to the Centrify download center and download the latest version. In this case, it's 20.4 at the time of this video. So I went and now downloaded it. And let's take a look at what the contents of it. So put it here under my down folder. And it's this folder right here. So when you expand it, it's going to contain the Install.ps1 and the zip file, and obviously the documentation as well. So what we need to do is to move to the folder that has the files and run Install.ps1. So Install.ps1 defaults to C Centrify, but I have made many modifications to my environment. If you ever want to know what is the active installation path, you can look at the registry and you can look at HQ local machine, software, Centrify, pass, and notice that my active folder is Centrify 20.3. So when I run Install.ps1, it is going to upgrade the tooling of the management server in that particular location. So I'm going to run it and then I'm going to pause the recording.